Introducing the Samsung Galaxy S24 FE, a powerful and versatile smartphone that blends stunning design with cutting-edge technology. Please support us by hitting the subscribe button. 90% of our viewers haven't subscribed yet. Design and display. Crafted with a premium metallic frame and IP68 water and dust resistance, the Galaxy S24 FE is built to last. Choose from a variety of colors, including blue, graphite, gray, mint, and yellow, to match your style. Its vibrant 6.7-inch AMOLED display delivers stunning visuals with a peak brightness of 1900 nits. Camera. Capture every moment in stunning detail with the Galaxy S24 FE's triple camera setup. The 50MP main camera, 12MP ultra-wide lens, and 8MP telephoto lens offer versatility and exceptional image quality. For selfies, the 10MP front camera delivers clear and vibrant shots. Performance and software. Powered by the Exynos 2400E chipset, the Galaxy S24 FE delivers lightning-fast performance for all your tasks. The phone runs on Android 14 with One UI 6.1, offering a smooth and intuitive user experience. Enjoy 7 years of OS and security updates for long-lasting support. Storage and battery. With 8GB RAM and storage options of 128GB and 256GB, you'll have plenty of space for your apps, photos, and videos. The 4700 mAh battery provides all-day power, and with support for 25 watts wired and wireless charging, you can quickly recharge when needed. Galaxy AI integration. The Galaxy S24 FE is powered by Galaxy AI, offering intelligent features that enhance your experience. From advanced photography capabilities to personalized recommendations, AI makes your daily life easier and more enjoyable. The Samsung Galaxy S24 FE is the perfect blend of style, performance, and innovation. Are you excited about Galaxy S24 FE? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more tech fun.